Warm greetings to one and all. I express my heartfelt thanks and a sense of deep gratitude to the organizers of this FDP. I would be honest in my admission that I have not personally seen such a hugely attended FDP. 9,000 plus participants. Stupendous is that. And what is more to it, that I aver it was a truly enriching experience. I have attended over the last 2 months during this novel corona, about 10 FDPs and webinars on similar themes of Education 4.0 and use of ICT in teaching learning, but nowhere were so many different and rare tools deliberated upon in such depth. OBS Studio and Mail Merge using LibreOffice were the two most precious inclusions, apart from Journal Plus, Epic Pen, Filmora, Autocrat, and many more. Lastly, I would like to salute the genuine dedication to cause and emulable and infectious enthusiasm of Dr. Surendranath. On 3rd July, it was evident during question and answer session that he was not well. He was suffering from cough and cold, and yet never did he try to make it short and continued with the same zeal and enthusiasm. And finally, I would like to thank all the organizers for bringing up such a memorable and enriching event, and I would also like to wish the best of everything to all my co-participants. Thank you very much.
Good evening everyone. I'm Dr. Sarika Kaul, Head of the Department Drawing and Painting, Kanodia PG Mahila Mahavidyalaya of Jaipur. Our college is affiliated to University of Rajasthan, and I'm very glad that I joined this online training program, an FDP of 6 days conducted by Surendranath Reddy sir from University Nanded. It was a great learning platform for me personally. I had a lot of innovations before joining this FDP, but I'm very glad that I had joined. Best part I liked about the FDP was that sir had given us enough time and our comfort, and he wanted us to learn, because I always believe learning is a great process and which a lot of patience is required, and this was shown to us in this entire FDP program. I had learned a lot of tools which otherwise I would not have made efforts to learn. Thank you Reddy sir for being such an excellent mentor, trainer and a teacher. To learn these tools, how to present your lectures, how to prepare PPTs, I'll always remember the details, fine details you have told us, and especially how to edit our videos and films, and to keep in mind various minute details which we might overlook otherwise if I would not have attended this faculty development program. Thank you sir, and in future also you will always remain my teacher and my mentor. I will personally contact you and will trouble you to learn various tools and aids, because learning never stops, and I believe that learning should never stop. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good afternoon, distinguished dignitaries, esteemed organizing team members and dear colleagues. We are at the verge of the completion of this 1 week faculty development program, and I am sure that each one of us had fruitful takeaways from this. It was really a wonderful experience equipping ourselves with various ICT tools and techniques, which is the need of hour. The sudden advent of COVID-19 pandemic had adverse effect on our teaching learning process, and we had to immediately switch over from offline to online mode, which was really a Herculean task. And this faculty development program has contributed a lot to equip ourselves with these tools and techniques and become fit for virtual classroom. Within this short span of 1 week, we learned more than a dozen tools right from Google Forms, Microsoft Forms, Testnotes, Google Classroom, Zoom meeting to certificate generation. We also had an elaborate and in-depth insight into the various features of OBS, wherein we learned how to record our video lectures offline and go online. Apart from this, we learned various other tools like Journal++, Epic Pen, video editing tools and audio editing tools. All these sessions were enriching and enlightening, and the special thing about this was we were given our own space to learn and implement whatever we have learned. Reddy sir, a big thanks to you for giving us such a grand insight. Hats off to you sir for your dedication and patience, which we all must learn. I express my sincere gratitude to all the organizing team members for such a nice and excellent program. Hope that in future also we can seek your help whenever we need. With best wishes, I conclude. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. Myself is Dr. Reena. I am Assistant Professor of Political Science, वैश कॉलेज भिवानी, हरियाणा। मुझे ये बताते हुए बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि जो हमने 1 वीक pedagogical training for teachers on tools for online teaching, learning and evaluation by द स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाड़ा यूनिवर्सिटी नांदेड़, जो कि हमारी 1 जुलाई से लेकर 6 जुलाई तक चली, ये मेरी ज़िंदगी का बहुत ही अच्छा अनुभव रहा, क्योंकि इसके थ्रू मैंने कंप्यूटर और कंप्यूटर के रिगार्डिंग जो अपने बच्चों को हम टेस्ट असाइन करते हैं उसके थ्रू मैंने इतनी सारी नॉलेज गेन की है जो शायद आज तक मैंने कभी फिज़िकली प्रेजेंट होकर भी मैंने किसी ट्रेनिंग सेंटर से ली होगी। इसके थ्रू हमने गूगल फॉर्म क्विजेज़, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट फॉर्म, टेस्टोमोज, गूगल क्लासरूम, एडमोडो, OBS studio for recording live and live streaming, Google Meet, Zoom, Mail Merge, AutoCAD और OpenShoot for वीडियो एडिटिंग, Audacity for ऑडियो एडिटिंग, इतनी सारे हमने टूल्स यहाँ से सीखे हैं जो हमारी आने वाली ज़िंदगी में हमारी टीचिंग लाइन में और हमारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल होने वाले हैं। तो मैं स्पेशली सुरेंद्र सर, जो कि मुझे आज पता चला है कि जो लेक्चर देते थे वही सर जो थे वो सारी वीडियोस वही डाल रहे थे और उनके वीडियोस एक्सीलेंट होते हैं कि हमें किसी भी, चाहे वो हमारे गूगल फॉर्म्स था, चाहे गूगल फॉर्म क्विज थी, चाहे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हमारे फॉर्म थे, चाहे टेस्टोमोज से, कोई भी ऐसा टॉपिक नहीं था जो उन्होंने दिया और उसका हमें कोई भी ऐसा पॉइंट हो जो कि हमें क्लियर ना हुआ हो। तो उन्होंने इतने अच्छे तरीके से हमें सारी चीज़ें सिखाई हैं, सारी चीज़ें बताई हैं। तो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा थैंकफुल उनका हूँ और उनकी पूरी टीम का हूँ जिन्होंने हमारे लिए इतनी अच्छी 1 वीक जो हमारी ट्रेनिंग थी वो हमारे लिए ऑर्गेनाइज की। थैंक यू, थैंक्स ए लॉट सर, थैंक्स ए लॉट फॉर सो मच नॉलेज फॉर अस। थैंक यू।
So I am Dr. Prashant Dev from Swami Vivekananda Mahavidyalaya, Tripura. So first of all, I would like to thanks the organizing committee for organizing such an important FDP program where we are able to learn the different tools and techniques of delivering the online lectures, as well as taking assignments, giving questions to the students, as well as for evaluation we can use these tools. So a total of more than 9,000 participants had enrolled in this FDP program, so it is a great success. And I would like to thank all the resource persons who are excellent in their fields, and for their excellent presentations. They showed immense patience and this intellect during our sessions every day. So it would be wonderful to be a part of such a wonderful program. And finally, I would like to thank Dr. Surendranath Reddy. He is really excellent and outstanding for his outstanding contribution in this program. So thank you very much.
Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Anuradha David, an Associate Professor in the Department of Zoology, Kettle Science College, affiliated to Karnataka University, Dharwad, Karnataka. I have been a participant in the faculty development program organized by the SRTM University, Nanded, Maharashtra, over the past 5 days. It has been an extremely learning experience for me to be able to acquaint myself with online teaching tools that were taught in this faculty development program. This program has been well designed and excellently executed. Each topic was dealt at length, and the understanding of each lesson by the teacher participant was assessed at the end of the session. And to facilitate the process of understanding, we were provided with PDF documents and recordings of whatever lesson modules that were taught in a day-wise manner. This was like a boot camp experience for us. It was not theoretical, it was more of hands-on, where we could work with these online tools and develop our own lesson modules and recordings. To learn Google Classroom and Edmodo, which are stationary online teaching tools, was one experience when compared with preparation of video recordings using the OBS Studio software, Zoom and Google Meet. These were certain tools that were enhancing our lectures and will prove to be more interesting for the students. I must admit that we need more practice in these teaching tools and to make them more interesting as a virtual teaching application in the coming days. At this moment, I would like to congratulate the SRTM University for having organized this extremely resourceful faculty development program, and I applaud the efforts of Dr. Surendranath Reddy, who single-handedly took this program to its eventuality as a grand success. Despite not being well, he remained a motivator, a facilitator, and an enthusiast who patiently took us through this journey. Another interesting feature of the faculty development program was organizing a question-answer session where all the participants would clarify their doubts, ask their queries, and do a good job in preparing our daily assessment programs or assignments that were given to us. I would like to take this opportunity to record my acknowledgements and to be thankful to the SRTM University for having given to me this opportunity to be a part of this faculty development program. And on a personal note, I would like to thank Dr. Surendra Reddy for all his efforts. Thank you, sir.
అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. ఇంత చక్కటి కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహిస్తున్నటువంటి SRTM యూనివర్సిటీ వాళ్లకు మరియు ముఖ్యంగా సురేంద్రనాథ్ సార్ గారికి చాలా ప్రత్యేకంగా ధన్యవాదాలు సార్. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొనడానికి ముందు నాకు ఆన్లైన్ టీచింగ్ అంటే చాలా భయం అనిపించేది. ఒక జూమ్లో మాత్రం డైరెక్ట్గా నేను ఒక యాజ్ ఏ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ టీచర్గా నా వద్ద ఉన్నటువంటి వైట్ బోర్డ్ ద్వారా నేను క్లాసులు తీసుకునేవాడిని. కానీ అది చాలా టైం టేకింగ్, లైవ్లో పిల్లలు సరిగా రాకపోవడం, దాంతో చాలా ఇబ్బందిగా ఫీల్ అవుతుండేవని. కానీ ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ ట్రైనింగ్కి నేను వచ్చి జాయిన్ కావడం ద్వారా నేను ఒక మాటలో చెప్పాలంటే నేను ఇంతకుముందు 0 స్థాయి నుంచి ఇప్పుడు ఒక 70-80 స్థాయికి నేను వచ్చిన నేను ఒక కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా నేను చెప్పగలను. ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవాల్సినవి చాలా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఉండొచ్చు. నాకు కేవలం గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ క్రియేట్ చేసి అందులో అసైన్మెంట్లు అట్లాంటివి పెట్టేవాడిని ఇంతకుముందు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ ఎట్లా ఏ విధంగా చేయాలి, ఎంత తొందరగా చేయొచ్చు, పీపీటీస్ ఎలా తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు, తర్వాత పీపీటీని ఎలా షేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, లేకుంటే లైవ్ కూడా ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి, ఓబిఎస్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కానీ, మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ టీమ్స్ కానీ, ఎడ్మోడో కానీ, ఇవన్నిటి గురించి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాతనే నేను తెలుసుకోవడం జరిగింది. ముఖ్యంగా సురేంద్రనాథ్ సార్ గారు తన యొక్క అమూల్యమైన సమయాన్ని మాకు కేటాయించినందుకు, ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని అంటే ప్రతిరోజు కొత్త ఇంకేం చెప్తారో అని ఆ కుతూహలంగా నేను నేర్చుకోవడం జరిగింది. చాలా చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు. ఆన్లైన్లో సారు 24/7 అన్నట్టుగా మనం కనుక ఓపిక ఉండి మనకి ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే మెసేజ్ పెడితే సరిపోతుంది. సార్ సాల్వ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ప్రత్యేకంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొనడానికి నాకు అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ధన్యవాదాలు. మరియు ఈ సురేంద్రనాథ్ సార్ గారికి చేతులైతే మరొకసారి నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఈ అవకాశం కలిగజేసినందుకు మీ అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు.
Hello everybody, I am Suvarna V. Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government Science College, Bengaluru. It is really fascinating to be a part of 1 week program, pedagogical training for teachers on tools for online teaching, learning and evaluation from 1st July to 6th July 2020, organized by Swami Ramanand Tirtha, Marathwada University, Nanded. I am very happy to share that the course is designed in such a way that even a non-science teacher can learn easily, especially the live question and answer sessions on YouTube. The hands-on training such as creating Google Forms, Microsoft Forms, Google Classroom, recording live videos using OBS, Edmodo and other various tools and many other components. I would like to mention that it was really interesting course for me. The entire course has opened a new world of technology. The live sessions by Dr. B. Surendranath Reddy were interesting and luminous, where you answer very patiently to maximum number of questions posted by the participants and clarify the doubts with live demos. I really appreciate your concern for the teaching fraternity to learn and adopt ICT tools which are available and make use of them during this crucial period of COVID-19 and in future as well. I would like to make a mention about Dr. B. Surendranath Reddy, who is a pillar of force behind the success of the course. I wholeheartedly thank you, sir. I also thank the resource persons and organizers of Swami Ramanand Tirtha, Marathwada University, Nanded for meticulously designing such a course and connecting a huge number of participants online. Once again, I thank you one and all.
So, good afternoon all of you. I am Dr. Vijay Ghadge, Head Department of Physics, Student Development Officer and College Examination Officer, Anantara Power College, Piramgud, Pune, Maharashtra. So, Swami Ramanand Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded and School of Material Science has organized 1 week pedagogical training for teachers on tools for online teaching, learning and evaluation from 1st July to 6th July 2020. So, Dr. B. Surendranath Reddy and other resource person completed within 6 days the ICT tools like Edmodo, Testboards, Google Forms, Microsoft Google Forms, Classrooms, Zoom Meeting, OBS, Open, Broadcaster Software, LibreOffice Mail Merge and Autocrat, and we can editing the video and we can generate the certificate by using the software. And this faculty development program is beneficial to teacher as well as students. So thank you for Vice Chancellor of SRTM University, Nanded and the coordinator of Dr. B. Surendranath Reddy and other resource person has organized a very nice faculty development program. So one suggestion is this faculty development program is very good, excellent and very informative and beneficial to student to inculcate the knowledge of tools. Various tools are ICT tools are used. One suggestion to these faculty development programs, the faculty development programs is under UGC and it is beneficial to career advancement scheme for teachers for higher education. So thanks to again Vice Chancellor of SIRTM University Nanded, Dr. B. Surendranath Reddy and other resource person and entire staff of SIRTM University Nanded. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर स्नेहल मकरंद राजहंस कृष्णा महाविद्यालय रेठरे बुद्रुक में भूगोल शास्त्र की प्राध्यापक हूँ। मैं कराड़ जिला सातारा महाराष्ट्र से बिलोंग करती हूँ। इससे पहले भी स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाड़ा यूनिवर्सिटी का पहला जो एफडीपी हुआ था, मैंने उसमें भी मैंने अटेंड किया था। डॉक्टर रेड्डी सर और रूपाली जैन मैडम जी का पढ़ाने का तरीका इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैंने इस एफडी में भी रजिस्ट्रेशन किया। पहले एफडी में पे एडमोडो, टेस्ट मोड्स, गूगल फॉर्म आदि सीखा था, लेकिन इस एफडीपी में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट फॉर्म, ओबीएस, गूगल मीट, जूम, ओडियासिटी, ऑडियो एडिटिंग, ओपनशूट वीडियो एडिटिंग, फिल्मोरा, मेल मर्ज, ऑटोक्रैड आदि बहुत से आईसीटी टूल सीखने को मिले। डॉक्टर रेड्डी सर और रूपाली मैम अच्छी तरह से सिखाते हैं। उसके साथ साथ पाटिल सर जी ने ऑडियो एडिटिंग, तसेच वैसे ही संदीप सर जी ने फिल्मोरा सॉफ्टवेयर और डॉक्टर गुटे सर जी ने ओपनशूट सॉफ्टवेयर इतनी अच्छी तरह से और सहज भाषा में ही सिखाया है। इन 7 दिनों में हर एक दिन नए नए आईसीटी टूल्स सीखने को मिले, जिसके कारण हमें अपने बच्चों को ऑनलाइन सिखाने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। मैं तहे दिल से स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाड़ा यूनिवर्सिटी नांदेड़ के सभी ऑर्गेनाइजर टीम का शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ और आज गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिन हमें आईसीटी टूल के नए नए आविष्कार सिखाने वाले सभी गुरुजनों को शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। थैंक यू वन ऑन ऑल। थैंक यू वेरी मच। गुड नाइट।
Namaskar. Good morning. Myself Dr. Parveen Iraqi and I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Zoology, Bahana College, Jorhat, Assam. This one-week faculty development program on pedagogical training on tools for online teaching and evaluation, which is organized by Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, had given me a huge knowledge about online teaching tools. As I have joined college only a few months back, and due to this lockdown situation which is arise due to COVID-19, we are asked to do online classes, and this program helped me a lot to get a concrete idea about online teaching tools like Zoom, Edmodo, OBS, etc. And after attaining this program, now I am confident to do online classes more effectively. At last, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to Dr. Reddy sir, Dr. Rupali ma'am and all other resource person for giving us such great and fruitful training session. Finally, I hope I will get chance in near future to attain this type of training program organized by this institution again. Thank you.
Sir, na peru Venugopal, School Assistant Physical Science, గవర్నమెంట్ హై స్కూల్ క్రిస్టియన్ కాలనీ వరంగల్ తెలంగాణ. ఈ 6 రోజుల ప్రోగ్రాము చాలా చక్కగా జరిగింది సార్. ముఖ్యంగా స్వామి రామానంద తీర్థ మరాఠవాడా యూనివర్సిటీ యాజమాన్యానికి మరియు ఆర్గనైజేషన్ చేసినటువంటి సురేందర్ రెడ్డి సార్ గారికి, వారి టీంకి మరీ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను. ముఖ్యంగా ఒక చిన్న కంప్యూటర్ కోర్సు, ఒక 1 వీక్ కోర్సు నేర్చుకోవడానికే ఎన్నో డబ్బులు లాగుతున్నటువంటి ఈ తరుణంలో మీ యొక్క అపారమైనటువంటి జ్ఞానాన్ని ఈ కోవిడ్ సందర్భంగా మాకు అందజేసినందుకు మేము చాలా ధన్యులం. ముఖ్యంగా చాలా విషయాలు, చాలా టూల్స్, హౌ టు డెవలప్ ద పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద టీచర్ త్రూ ఆన్లైన్ అనేది చాలా చక్కగా నేర్చుకున్నాం సార్. మీ అందరికీ కూడా మా తరఫున ధన్యవాదాలు. ఎంతో జ్ఞానాన్ని మేము సంపాదించాం, కానీ దీనికి ఇంకా మేము చాలా సాధన చేయవలసినటువంటి అవసరం ఉంది. తప్పకుండా ఆ సాధనను సాధించి మేము మరింత ముందుకు పోతామని అందరి తరపున మీకు కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ashwini Sarath. I teach zoology. I am working as assistant professor in Late Shankarrao Gutte Gramin College, Dharmapuri. I'm very glad to express my feedback here because for the second time I am attending this faculty development program organized by Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. And it is really a very wonderful experience to be a part of this FDP program because all the tools included in this FDP are so useful and they are very easy to handle. Actually they are explained in such a way that they are seeming very easy to handle. I have tried many of the tools like the Autocrat, like the Certify EM, Filmora, then this present feedback also I am recording in OBS. So it is really very enriching experience for me to attend the faculty development program at SRTMU Nanded, and I congratulate on behalf of all the participants to Dr. Reddy sir and Rupali ma'am for the wonderful lectures and the wonderful demonstrations in such a simple language that anybody can understand and use it in our day-to-day teaching learning process. So once again I congratulate and thank you to both the organizers, and we expect such informative and useful programs from you. Thank you so much, and my best wishes to your whole team. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Dr. Prajna Mattihalli, Associate Professor in Government First Grade College, Dharwad, from Karnataka. Sir, I am very much impressed about your FDP because I had attended many FDPs, but this is the first time I have experienced full dedication of your resource persons. Really, Surendranath sir and Rupali madam and also other resource persons have given many informations with all sort of dedication. There was a time wherein people used to believe that to be educated means to learn English. But sir, within few years it is vanished. Now, though we are well versed with English, there is no meaning if we don't acquire the skills of computers. That means advanced tools in communication. In that way, we were badly in need of these kind of online teaching tools. And I have seen all of your resource persons have got knowledge at the same time and patience, and also they are very much interested in making the students or the interested anticipators to learn many more things. Because first time I have seen the question answer session which was live, which was very useful. You have spent nearly 2 hours per day for the same. So I would like to thank wholeheartedly all the coordinators and the management people and also the resource persons. Thank you very much.
Everyone, I am Dr. Ranju Grover, Assistant Professor in Computer Science Department, IBPG College, Panipat. I attended the webinar organized by Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, and it was very good, and the tools explained in the FDP like Google Form, Google Class, TestMoz, AdMod, OBS Studio, Google Meet, even Filmora, Mailmerge, Autocrat, all are very fantastically explained by Dr. Reddy, and the modes of training was very impressively used, and I think because of the modes of training, it was a very fantastic FDP. I attended many FDPs organized by many universities, but it was the fantastic one, and Dr. Reddy explained each and every term very fantastically, especially in question answer round. He tried to explain everyone's question and answers, and thanks to Dr. Reddy and the panel for organizing such a wonderful and very knowledgeable FDP for all of us. Thanks a lot.
Good morning. My name is Ranganathan. I am assistant professor in BBA in a college in Tamil Nadu. I have attended this pedagogical training program, 1 week training program, including teaching you the various LMS tools and also online practical sessions conducted by Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. At the outset, I would like to say that I have gained a lot. What I have gained here is a lot of hands-on experience. This shows the success of an online FDP program. So I would like to appreciate and congratulate the organizers behind this, and my special mention goes to Dr. Surendranath Reddy, who has taken pains to see that this program is effected on a 6-day basis. However, I was at his back for a longer time from the second FDP regarding what was the date for the third FDP. I am very glad that I joined it. Moreover, the most important feedback I have to give is we come to know of most of our deficiencies in online lecture when we attend this program in a very positive manner. That is, we will understand how we have to give the lecture, what is going to be our camera eye position, what amount of material we have to give, how amount of material will the students be able to take in. So you are in the student's point of view understanding a lecture. The most important thing is the future augurs a great deal of opportunity as well as challenges, and unless and until we are not online savvy in teaching, we can't reach the goals which were expressed. Then this is the necessity to multitask, and there is a need for flipped classroom model, which this program is clearly showing. There was a mixture of pre-recorded as well as live lectures and question answer sessions, and the most important gain I have to tell you is the new thing which has come up, that is the advent of OBS, online broadcasting software, which I am presently using to record this lecture. I thank the organizers of Sri Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University for taking it up on the first come first day basis. I don't think any other program has ever done that. Really, this is a very good leap. I presume this is a very good leap towards online teaching. Moreover, as proposed by their mentor, this is the particular leap in going towards open sourcing software, and as propagated by Professor Kumaresan and is going followed by his chieftain Dr. Surendranath Reddy. And I also want to thank the other faculties in the program who that is Toshniwal Arts, Commerce and Science College, Hingoli, namely Mr. Dhanraj Patil, Mr. Bhagwan Gute and Mr. Markand, who gave us a very good lecture on the use of sound editing software. So I say that I stand very much to gain from this. I stand very much to learn from this. I stand very much confident now in giving a lecture, and I am sure that many of the other participants would say so. The end point of this FDP was to give a 30-minute lecture and send it back. So that is where this FDP stands better than any other FDP which I have attended. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Mohini Rathore. I am working as a guest lecturer of Department of Commerce, Government Lahiri PG College, Chilmiri, District Korea, Chhattisgarh, affiliated to Sant Gahira Guru University. It is my immense pleasure that I get an opportunity to attend this 6-day FDP program. It was really an amazing experience. I also would like to congratulate convener and organizer for the successful completion of this program. And I also like to give good luck and best wishes for future webinars. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bansode Bhagyashree, working as an assistant professor in biotechnology subject from RGSPM College, Pune. I feel so proud and happy to be a former student of Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, as I have completed my PhD and MSc Biotechnology from the same university. From 2 months, I am attending so many conferences and webinars, but this 1 week organized FDP programs by this SRTMU University Nanded was well organized and conducted. I can see the dedication of the organizers, Dr. Surendranath Reddy and Dr. Rupali Jain ma'am. It was speechless. I wish to say big thanks to the VC sir of Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University and all organizers of the training program. I will also love to attend the future webinars and training from the same university. Okay, thank you.
A very good morning to all. Myself Dr. Mrs. Vaishali P. Meshram, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Dharampet NP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, which is affiliated to Rashtrasanta Tukoji Maharaj Nagpur University, Nagpur, Maharashtra, and my college is accredited with A grade by NAC. First of all, I would like to thank organizers of this FDP 1 week pedagogical training for teachers on tools for online teaching, learning and evaluation during 1st to 6th July 2020, organized by School of Mathematical Sciences, Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. I acknowledge my sincere thanks to Dr. Surendra Reddy sir, coordinator of this FDP, who has taken the painful efforts for the success of this wonderful FDP and providing the online platform during this pandemic situation. The special thing of this FDP was it is very simple, systematic and easy to understand for a layman or newly techno-savvy person. The way he put up all the things very easy to understand, like online lectures, assignment details, submission and queries, attended very well. The tools which I have learned during this FDP, like Google Forms, Quiz, Microsoft Quiz, Testmos, Edmodo, Google Meet, Zoom Meet, Google Classroom, Acrocraft, Audacity, Filmora, OpenShot, video lectures, how to share PPT during Zoom meeting and many more. I would like to thank Priti Jain Madam, coordinator of this FDP. My special thank to Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Bhosle sir, SRTMNU Nanded, for providing such nice platform for teacher fraternity all over the India. My special thanks to other resource person for introducing other software like Filmora, OpenShot, Audacity so nicely. Lastly, I must thank to make promise to Reddy sir. Definitely we all participants use this tool in our video lectures and teaching learning process. Once again, thank you Reddy sir to make us more confident in this technological world and new education system. I must thank all the participants to make this FDP more successful. Looking forward such type of FDP on new tools in future too. With this hope, thanks to all. Jai Hind.
Hello, good morning to all. Myself, Professor Dr. Mahesh Prabhakarao Deshmukh. I am Associate Professor at Sri Siddheshwar Mahavidyalaya, Mazalgaon District, Bid in Maharashtra. My subject is economics. I have learned a lot of ICT tools like Google Classroom, Google Forms, Microsoft Forms, OBS Studio, Zoom. It was a great pleasure to be a part of this FDP. It was a wonderful experience. I am very thankful to entire team for organizing such wonderful as well as knowledgeable FDP. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I feel deeply privileged to share my experience to everyone through this platform. I am Kashmira Khanam, I am from Assam. I am currently doing PhD from Central University of Haryana with focus on transgender community. I am an assistant professor of sociology at Dhubri Law College. Well, I would like to thanks to the organizer for organizing such a wonderful program. I really enjoyed the whole program. The first impression of this webinar was the selection letter, and the last part of the letter where it was written that this letter has been sent using mail merge to 9,000 participants individually in a PDF format, and by attending the webinar I will learn this too. So I find it quite interesting, and again the way they express their objectives of the program through that letter. And when I joined the Telegram group, it became more easier to get the materials and information, and especially everyday tasks. One more thing I would like to share, when Surender sir shared the program list first in the PDF format, then again in an image format, it shows that how serious they are, how they are involved in this program mentally and physically. I really impressed by their work. During this program, apart from the tools for online teaching learning, I have learned so many things, like the discipline, seriousness of the speakers, time management, and most interestingly, the way they engage the participants in the program. And again, I just want to add one more thing here, that only at watching the videos is not enough to run or use the tools. That's why I have made some videos uploaded in my YouTube channel. I will share the link of my YouTube channel. Please do watch my videos and give your valuable suggestions so that I can improve. But last not the least, I would like to thank Surendranath Reddy sir. I really inspired by your teaching method and how you were putting values to the participants. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everybody. A very good morning to all. I am Amarjyoti Bhali, Assistant Professor, Department of Education, Vahana College, Vahana, Jorhat, under Dibrugarh University, affiliated under Dibrugarh University. I have participated in 6-day faculty development programs organized by Ramanand Tirtha Madhwara University, Nanded, Maharashtra. This program was very interesting, active, resourceful, and very informative regarding various e-tools that helpful for online teaching, learning, and evaluation process. We are able to learn from this how to prepare, manage, and apply in our day-to-day teaching learning activities. I am able to learn a lot about Google Meet, Microsoft Form, Google Classroom, Edmodo, Zoom, Google Forms, OpenShot, Filmora, AutoCAD, LibreOffice, Handbrake, and many more, which make us able to prepare online lectures and online presentations. All those are very useful e-tools in these pandemic situations. I would like to offer my gratitude and thanks to BC sir of this university and all organizer team. And my special thanks to Dr. Surendranath Reddy sirs and Dr. Rupari Jain ma'am. We all especially enjoyed and learned a lot from live question answer sessions which remove our various doubts and confusions. Thanks once again to Dr. Reddy sirs and thanks to all. Thanks.
सभी को नमस्कार. मेरा नाम डॉक्टर आशीष गुप्ता, प्राध्यापक प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश, गवर्नमेंट गर्ल्स कॉलेज बैतूल, मध्य प्रदेश. ये फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम SRMTU नांदेड़ यूनिवर्सिटी द्वारा जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है, ये मेरे लिए काफ़ी नया और चैलेंजिंग था. मैं इसके पहला FDP भी अटेंड कर चुका हूँ और ये दूसरा फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम है जो मैं अटेंड कर रहा हूँ. और सही मायने में ये हम लोगों के लिए बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और नया सीखने को मिल रहा है. हमने इसमें ऑटोकैड, एडमोडो, गूगल क्लास कोड, गूगल फॉर्म लिंक, MS फॉर्म, टेस्ट मूव्स और अलग अलग तरीके से वीडियो को बनाना और यूट्यूब पर उसको कैसे लाइव अपलोड करना, लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग OBS स्टूडियो के द्वारा, ये सब सीखा। जूम का उपयोग तो हम पहले भी करते थे, लेकिन अलग अलग टेक्नोलॉजी से किस तरीके से सर्टिफिकेट को Certify-IM के अलावा बल्क तरीके से किस तरीके से उसको हम अपलोड कर सकते हैं, ये सब कुछ सीखा, जो हमको काफ़ी काम आएगा हमारे कोई भी एकेडमिक प्रोग्राम करने में। खास तौर पर हम धन्यवाद देते हैं डॉक्टर सुरेंद्रनाथ रेड्डी का, डॉक्टर रूपाली जैन का और इस पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी का, कि जो पूरे मोटिवेशन और डेडिकेशन के साथ इस काम में लगे हुए हैं। आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आगे भी ये प्रोग्राम चलता रहे और हम लोग इसको ज्वाइन करते रहें। आप सभी लोगों को साधुवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I am Dr. Ishma Kaur, and I would like to congratulate the SRTM University Nanded for its tremendous achievement of 8,000 participation of teachers in the 1-week long PDF FDP program conducted under the leadership of Dr. Surendra Reddy. I am very overwhelmed by the teaching learning materials and many ICT tools which I got to learn and explore during this FDP. I am indebted to thank the entire team of SRTM University. I thank especially Dr. Surendra Reddy sir, who carries a very humble, hardworking and intelligent personality and is indeed a very good teacher. He considered us as his students of his class and saw to it that each one should learn. The experience of doing home assignments made us do what was taught to us during this program. The Q&A sessions and the lectures were completely simple and lucid. Sir cleared all the doubts of each participant, which helped us in our home assignments. I have not seen an FDP conducted on an individual basis which Sir could carry it so well. I would also thank his fellow colleagues for taking it further at the same zeal during his absence. I would like to congratulate the efforts put by Dr. Reddy, his fellow mates and the technical staff for this wonderful learning experience, which I think every teacher must have experienced. I am looking forward for a refresher course organized by SRTM University. Thank you.